Hi Leos, this is your career reading from 15th. Actually, it was supposed to be done on 15th, but I am doing it on 16th. So 16th of September to 16th of September to 16th of October. I am going to take this period of half a month of this month to another month, spilling over to October, because planetary situations are changing in this time period. So your energies in career situation, that is your 10th house astrologically, this is the your 10th house is Taurus. So, in this house of Taurus, Jupiter is going to be retrograde. But in this time period, your second house and third house is going to be activated with the energies of Mercury leaving from Virgo to Libra. So, your second house is Virgo and your third house is Libra. So, there will be a transition of Mercury. So Mercury will go to your second house, from your second house it will go to third house, and there is already Mars in Libra. So there will be changes of your finances, in the sense that things will become better in this time period. Your expression will become better, you will interact with people around you in a better way. What was happening in your situation was there was monotony, there was boredom, there was some kind of dissatisfaction in the recent past. So now things are improving. You will be gradually coming back to balance with the Hierophant and the Temperance. So Hierophant is a structure, Hierophant is your stage of learning, or your stage of training, your stage of teaching, your stage of disseminating knowledge or doing something expertly. So there are three stages of Hierophant. So whatever you are doing, whichever stage you are in, you will be following the rules, you will be following the tradition, and you are going to make some kind of healing in terms of your balance is coming in your career. So balance, healing, patience in a structure is coming in. There is going to be stability in this time period, and you are going to realize some spiritual enlightenment in this time period. Some of you could be mentored by someone who is giving you a balance in your career. Some of you are learning new things, and some of you are doing higher academics. Some of you could be teachers. You are constantly trying to improve your situation, and as Six of Wands is happening, short term victory from 15th of September to 15th of October, or 16th of September to 16th of October. There is going to be a short term victory in this time period. Why it is happening is because you are walking away from rejection, from total ruination. It is not for everyone, but some of you have gone through total rejection, total failing. So that has happened. Now you are walking away from dissatisfaction in your career situation or problems in your career situation, and moving towards a new direction or contemplating the move. Some of you could be waiting for a job, some of you are waiting for an opportunity, and Three of Wands is telling me that some of you have already heard the good news. It is coming towards you. So sun is definitely going to shine in this time period for you, and be assured that something good is coming to you, because you are removing yourself from some situation. So Nine of Cups is going to come in. So individual accomplishment is going to happen, because you decided to walk the unfamiliar path, you decided to take yourself out of the comfort zone. Some of you have done this with learning something in this time period. You are learning some new things in this time period, because bottom of the deck is showing that Seven of Pentacles, you have invested in something, you have done something for a long time in a certain way. Now you are looking at the next step. So the two, and you had been defending yourself for a long time, maybe reserved, maybe not coming out in the open, not trying new things. So Seven of Wands and Seven of Pentacles was an evaluation situation after a failure. So now what is happening is you are going to take this prospective energy. Some of you could be buying, selling, some of you are doing exchanging information, some of you have decided either or, whether to be here or there. That is the kind of energy I am seeing. This is proper prospecting energy in this time period. You are going to be, having a kind of satisfaction in terms of your career in this period. The Four of Swords and Five of Pentacles is that in your situation of misery, some of you are still feeling miserable, some of you are still feeling lack of something, lack of money, lack of a job. You are asked by the angels to be in your Four of Swords. So some of you are moving into temperance, some of you are moving into some kind of structure, some of you are getting a job in this time period, some of you are still in misery. So angels are asking you to take a break, angels are asking you to take a proactive break and be in a situation of Four of Swords. This is, telling us that you will figure out, because all of you will pass through this period of Hierophant and Temperance. So balance will come back, short term victory will happen, and Nine of Cups will be achieved once you decide to take that step outside of your comfort zone. So decision will be made. The King of Swords energy, this is telling me you are going to become logical, you are going to take a very some of you doing a kind of factual, technical, very non emotional change in your career. Some of you are going to decide finally. Some of you are coming out of, energies that were, just weighing options, not being able to decide. So you will be finally changing your gears. You are going to consolidate your energy based upon logic. And Eight of Wands is telling me that situation will immediately progress in if it was stuck. So Ten of Wands is the burden has to be released. So whatever burden you are carrying from your old business, old job, old situation, you have to, which you were defending, but in the process you were becoming overloaded in terms of your emotions, or in terms of your the work or responsibility that was weighing you down. You are going to release that. You are going to release that. You are going to move fast forward towards a new situation. Three of Cups is telling me improvement is happening. There could be help from other people. There could be people coming in and giving you inspiration. There could be some kind of accomplishment which you are going to celebrate. So some of you are also doing some prayers or rituals in this time period with the Hierophant and the Temperance. I'm going back there because I just remembered that you could be doing some rituals in this time period regarding material well-being. Some of you could be doing some pujas, some of you are doing some havan and things like that. For Indians, some of you are praying for improvement in your financial or career situation. What is happening is you have an Ace of Pentacles advantage. So something solid, some solid offer, some opportunity, some inheritance, some money is going to be injected in your situation. So a stable new offer, meaning a job for some of you, meaning a money grant of loan for some of you, capital for some of you to start a business, or some serious offer is coming in for you, and this is in advantage. You are going to convert this is going to be converted. Ace is, and any ace when you get in your reading, it is a good sign. It is a sign of improvement, it is a sign of conversion. So some of you are going to convert a job, a new opportunity, or realization of stability for some of you. What is troubling you in this time period is, Eight of Swords. This is self doubt, self restriction, fear of some kind, nervousness of some kind. This energy, is of incarceration. So this is incarceration of the mind. The mind is ours, everything is ours. We cannot change others, we cannot change situations which we don't have control over, but what we can do is we can open up ourselves to receive, to give, to understand better, to put ourselves in some kind of a little bit of risk. There shouldn't be a feeling of that I will fail again, or something will be repeated again. That mild depression is troubling some of you. So you need to stop feeling betrayed. You need to stop feeling rejected in this time period, because if someone rejects you, if someone gives you a difficulty in your life, it is not because of who you are, it is because of their own problems. The employer is not hiring you because is rejecting you because they want a certain thing, and that is in their mind. They have their parameters, so you might not be matching in those parameters. There is nothing personal in that. So basically you have to take out any kind of self doubt in this time period. When it is your turn, you will get a job. When it is your opportunity, it will come to you. So definitely keep trying. Any one of you who are trying and have got rejected, please do try again, because situation is working in your favor. Please pray for your situation to improve. It will definitely improve, because Magician and Eight of Pentacles is coming in here. It is telling me that you are going to manifest hard work, learning, and detailed work and effort. So you are going to make detailed efforts, you are going to start something new. Initiating energies are coming in this time period. So your outcome is 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles, Ace, Page of Pentacles. So news about some job is coming in, which is definitely it has some potential. Definitely it will be converted. This is the news that is carrying the Ace of Pentacle. This is going to give you 9 of Pentacles, feeling of security, feeling of self-sufficiency. And 10 of Pentacles is telling me eventually you are going to feel abundant, eventually you are going to feel permanent, eventually you are going to feel a long-term abundance in your energies. Magician and the Tower is coming as well. So this is telling us that some of you are initiating risk in this time period, which is going to give you results. Some of you are in a daredevil energy or desperate energy of some kind, which is going to give you success in this time period. So Magician is manifesting total change or unexpected success. It can happen miraculously. Things are going to be changed. Anything that was not working for you is going to end. Anything that has to work will happen for you. So there is an unexpected success which is coming in for some of you. It will be a surprise shock. It could be a transfer which is coming out of the blue. It is an opportunity which is coming out of the blue in this time period. So let's read out the Lenormand card in this time. So you are getting the Sun card. So good card here from this oracle deck. Conscious of your own chances, problems will be resolved. Capitalize on your talents and trust yourself. So there is going to be reassuring news coming from abroad, advantageous deals and contracts, business offers, appetizing business proposal. So boss will help you in this time period. Professionally, you will be growing. There will be discussions at work which will enhance your role. There will be important news, advantageous proposal, job contract, beneficial transfer can happen, a trip can happen, change of location can happen in this time period. Artistic career or politics will thrive. Some of you will be finishing studies or will graduate. High level of position can be achieved in this time period. Deserved public recognition can come to you. Expenses for a cultural trip, studies, or a move. A contract has solved a period of financial crisis. Economic calm will come to you. A long awaited letter is coming to you. So this is great for you, Leos. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the luck. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through issues can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted. Make up your mind and then come to me. And please do take the membership. I am putting the link in the description box. This is my channel link plus / join, so you can come to the membership icon immediately and see what I am offering. Basically, you will get access to me and you can interact with me and ask me for whatever you require, and I will also put the email ID so that once you take a membership you can write to me about yourself and I will tell you what I am going to offer you. Mostly it is discount on personal reading, but apart from that you can have a free chat, advice, etc. So this is what I am going to give the dedicated community. So that's it. Bye bye.